Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Tattvalogy Multani Mitti powder. Fuller's Earth for face mask. 200 gram of quantity for the price 235 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. I had bought this from Nykaa. This is non-sponsored video. Made in India product. Let's see the features. 100% pure natural unadulterated and certified organic high porosity Multani Mitti. Natural source of magnesium chloride, which reduces acne and blemishes, pulls out dirt and toxins from the pores and makes the skin glow, absorbs excess oil, and is a natural cleanser for hair and skin. How to use? Use alone or in combination with other powders, oil, and water to make your own face mask or face pack. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. Yes, I like this powder. You can take 1 spoon of multani mitti plus milk plus honey, leave it for 15 minutes, then wash with normal water. Also, you can add 1 teaspoon of any fruit juice or pulp to the face pack. You can make your own combination. You can use it in DIY bath soap. I will try to share the recipe if you want. I may buy this again if I get good discount. No irritation, clears the skin, gives freshness. It sucks all the dirt and excess oil from the pores. And if you are also using the Multani Mitti, wanted to share some recipes with me regarding skincare or hair care, then please share the recipes. It will be helpful for me and all of us. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.